Hello, I'm going to show you how I did this drawing on a coffee. First I'm going to show you some pictures of the models I used, and then here some of the technique of the watercolor. Here I use directly the watercolor without using pen, trying to capture it very fast before food disappear. And as in other occasions I've told you, it's a meditation to draw, paint, and there's no better form to learn than watching. So here I leave you with this painting so that you can enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them and I'll be happy to reply to you. Thank you. It's been a pleasure sharing with you and hope to see you soon.